Tired of time entries mysteriously changing? Let's lock down those edits in Clockify to ensure accurate, reliable time tracking. First, navigate to your Clockify workspace. You will need to have admin privileges to access these settings. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the settings option. It's usually symbolized by a gear icon. Once you're in the settings menu, make sure you're on the general tab. This is where you'll find the permission controls we're looking for. If you're on a different tab, just click general to get there. Scroll down the page until you see a section labeled Who Can Edit Here. You'll find a drop-down menu that determines who has editing rights for time entries. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal your options. You will typically see options like Everyone, Admins Only, and No One to completely disable editing. Select No One. This will prevent all users, except workspace admins, from modifying time entries after they've been created. Alternatively, if you want only admins to be able to edit time entries, select the Admins Only option. Clockify usually saves your settings automatically as soon as you make a selection. However, double-check for a Save button at the bottom of the page. If you see one, click it to ensure your changes are applied. And that's it. Now, only users with admin rights can make changes to time entries. This simple adjustment ensures data integrity, providing accurate, tamper-proof records for project tracking and compliance.